lot for Christmas. There's just one thing I need. Gather round the table with my family next to me. We've got paper, we've got pencils, we've got colors all in line. And this holiday's much brighter when we draw and spend our time. I just want us to sit near, fill the room with Christmas cheer. Let the magic start from the bottom of our hearts. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is to draw with you. Draw and color plus sketch the snowflakes as they fall. Christmas is to draw. I won't ask for fancy presents underneath the Christmas tree. Just a pack of brand new markers and some drawing books for me. The stockings might be brimming, but the joy that fills the night is when we start our doodles in the glow of twinkling lights. I just want us here together, making memories forever, laughing all around as we sketch without a sound. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is to draw with you. Draw and color plus sketch the snowflakes as they fall. Draw and color plus merry moments shared by all. Christmas is to draw. All the markers are so bright, filling hearts with pure delight as we doodle through the night in red and green and white. Draw and color plus sketch the snowflakes as they fall. Draw and color plus merry moments shared by all. We'll paint the sleigh with Santa on his way. Draw and color plus all I want for Christmas is to draw. Draw and color plus all I want for Christmas is to draw with you.
Snow is falling all around, pencils gleaming on the ground. With family we gather near, drawing brings us Christmas cheer. Sparkling lights and tinsel bright, we sketch together in delight. Colors blend like candy canes, artistry in snowy lanes. All I want for Christmas is to draw and color with you, drawing scenes of wonderland, making memories so true. Underneath the mistletoe, we draw a cozy cabin's glow. Winter scenes in every hue, friends and family sharing too. In the warmth of home we stay, raw in dreams in Christmas play. Paper crayons everywhere, festive art friends and family sharing too. In the warmth of home we stay, drawing dreams in Christmas play. Paper crayons everywhere, festive art we freely share. Laughter fills the twinkling night, our drawings just feel so right. Santa sleighs and reindeer fly, with each stroke we touch the sky. In the month of home we stay, drawing dreams in Christmas play. Paper crayons everywhere, festive art we freely share. Laughter fills the twinkling night, our drawings just feel so right. Santa sleighs and reindeer fly, with each stroke we touch the sky. Snow is falling all around, pencils gleaming on the ground. A family we gather near, drawing brings us Christmas cheer. Sparkling lights and tinsel bright, we sketch together in delight. Colors blend like candy canes, artistry in snowy lanes. Our want for Christmas is to draw and color with you, drawing scenes of wonderland, making memories so true. Underneath the mistletoe we draw a cozy cabin's glow. Winter scenes